What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. We're doing back-to-back exhaust installs on my channel. Last video we did my S2000. Today we're focusing on Mark's Lexus ISF. So tell the people a little bit about what you've already done to your car and what we got going on today.
Some just aesthetic stuff on the outside, window visors, front fenders, carbon fiber, and then some suspension mods, HKS coils, Tom's front and rear strut tower bars, and wheels and tires, some raised CE28 pluses in shiny bronze.
Yeah, Mark's car is super clean. It's probably one of the cleanest ISFs I've ever seen in person. But since the day he bought it, I have been hounding him to get an exhaust. And of course, he wanted to be responsible. He wanted to shore up all of the suspension parts first. Yep. Now that he's done all that, we're finally here. We're finally installing an exhaust on this Japanese muscle car. So why did you go with this exhaust? And what do we got going on today?
So if you didn't know, ISF parts, aftermarket parts, they're taxed like crazy. So you can't find a good one under like 2,000 bucks. So wow. This one retails about 13, I believe. And I got the deal of the century, dude. 54% off. So like 560 bucks.
Nice.
With free shipping. So that's what I went with.
Yeah, and just off of an initial look, the welds look good, everything looks straight, but it's going on a V8. We just need everything to fit right and we need it to sound good. So let's get to it.
Let's do it.
The ISF comes with a very tame exhaust from the factory, which is exactly what you'd expect from a luxury manufacturer like Lexus. Now, keep in mind, the ISF was meant to be a classy, reliable competitor to cars like the Mercedes C63 and the BMW E90 M3. Obviously, we're not comparing apples to apples with how different each of their V8s are, but you have to admit, the C63 and the M3 sound uniquely amazing. You could argue that they are some of the best sounding naturally aspirated V8s of all time. And that brings me back to today's install. The goal here is to unleash the sound of the ISF's Japanese crafted 5.0 V8 engine, not to mention maybe add a few extra horsepower while losing a few pounds.
Oh my God, this shit is heavy.
Look at that. Factory exhausts are heavy mainly due to all of the additional sound deadening material they come with. The stock exhaust came in at 70 pounds. The XForce Exhaust, on the other hand, came in at 62 pounds. An 8-pound reduction of sprung weight might not sound like a lot, but those weight savings can definitely add up with more lightweight modifications. If you guys are watching this right now, if you made it this far in the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Maybe one day we'll be able to afford quick jacks. Maybe. Imagine how much easier our lives would be. Okay. If you've seen one exhaust install, you've seen them all. So I won't bore you guys with the details of getting the XForce exhaust installed. Just know that after we eventually got the old exhaust off, the XForce lined up and we had no issues with fitment or exhaust leaks. Since we're retaining the original exhaust tips, which are built into the rear bumper, you don't even have to worry about lining those up. You're feeling like we spent how many hours on this?
Honestly,
what time did we start? What time did that clock say when we started?
I think like 2.
We're gonna do a quick test to see if there's any exhaust leaks, and then we'll rev it up. So
yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah, get in there.
All right.
I already know I'm gonna like this.
Very nice.
Holy shit. This thing sounds amazing.
I mean, it's not no straight pipe, crazy red line, crowd killing sound, right? But it's tame. On idle, it's very nice, right? It's not too crazy. And then when you get on it, when you give it the beans, it sounds pretty good. So I'm happy. Best 500 bucks for a car that I've ever spent, you know, like.
500 bucks might be cheaper than any exhaust for my S2000. That's a great deal.
It's a win-win for sure.
You guys can probably tell by my shaved face, this is not the same day. I didn't shave mid-install. It's been about a week. Mark's been daily driving the car for about a week or so.
Yeah.
And he's been living with it. So he's gonna have like some real honest feedback about what it feels like to drive a Lexus ISF with the XForce exhaust. Let's take it for a spin.
All right, first start, ready?
That sounds nice, man.
Not too bad.
Nice.
Not too bad. Ready?
It's a little pull, just a little light pull.
Baby pull.
Holy shit. Whoa, dude.
It's not bad in cabin. It's not like too boomy or anything, right? All right, ready? Another baby pull.
Holy shit. Dude. I always forget how fast this car feels, especially coming from an S2000 that has like 0 torque. This thing boogies. It sounds good, man.
Yeah, it does, right? Again, it's not too like boomy inside here, right?
No.
Let's just do some just normal driving. Again, no drone, nothing too crazy. Very, again, dailyable.
So there you have it, the XForce catback exhaust on the Lexus ISF. Are you happy with it? Would you recommend it to anyone? Like, you know, any regrets?
No regrets. The car sounds great. For the price, again, 560 bucks.
Yeah,
deal of the century.
That is the deal of the century. I guess a quick disclaimer, as I was editing this video, I checked the price again and it's not $560 anymore. So if anyone got that deal, congrats to you. Maybe hit up XForce, maybe they'll run some type of promotion in the future. But Mark picked this exhaust up brand new.
Yeah, brand new.
For 560 bucks, which is crazy. But overall, you're pretty happy with it?
Yeah, going back, I mean, it's tame. It's not too it's not droning. I can daily this car with the exhaust on. So yeah, I'm happy with it. And if you were thinking just regular pricing without the super good deal that I got,
yeah,
$1,300. I think that's the cheapest on the market for this car.
Yeah,
brand new. So
still a great deal for
still
this.
A great
for
deal.
an ISF.
So I'm happy with it.
I absolutely love it. This thing finally sounds like what it was supposed to sound like. It's nasty. It's still extremely comfortable. It might be the greatest daily driver of all time. Plenty of miles per gallon, not a ton of miles per gallon, but it sounds amazing. I can't wait to film some toge runs. We're gonna be taking this thing up to the mountain.
Yes.
I got a new exhaust on my car.
We gotta test them.
Oh, by the way, we might do another exhaust in the next video on Jose's E36.
Yes, sir.
So stay tuned for that if you like the exhaust. If you like the exhaust content.
We're 3 for 3 on the exhaust videos.
3 videos in a row, potentially. Anyways, until next time, stay tuned. Peace out. Take care, guys.
Peace.